Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will discuss about the literary awards of India. Do watch my earlier videos where I have discussed about the civilian awards, gallantry awards and also sports awards of India. So literary awards, as the name suggests, they are presented to Indian writers who recognize and appreciate their great work of literature and their contribution to the upliftment of the literature in India. It is a great initiative to promote literature and highlight the achievements of writers in literature. The literature work should be in an officially recognized language of India, including English. The official languages also have made a video. Do check it out. So there are many literary awards in India, and they are as follows: like Gnanpith Award, Sahitya Academy Fellowship, and Sahitya Academy Award. Let's see one by one in detail. Coming to the first one, which is Gnanpith Award, it is the most renowned literary award in India. It is also known as Gyanpith Award, and it was introduced in 1961 and was awarded by the Gnanpith Trust to Indian writers for their outstanding work and contribution to literature in any of the recognized languages in India. The awardee gets a made statue of Goddess Saraswati along with a cash prize. The first writer to receive the Gnanpith Award is Sankara Kurup for his Malayalam poem collections Otakuzai in 1965. The award is not presented for a single piece of writing. The nominees are selected based on their lifetime achievements. Moving to the next one, which is the Sahitya Academy Fellowship. It is the second most renowned literary award in India for the Indian writers for their immortal literature work in any officially recognized language of India. It was introduced in 1968 and is conferred by the National Academy of Letters of Government of India, the Sahitya Academy. In this award, the Academy elects the awardee as its fellow. The first recipient of Sahitya Academy Fellowship was Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who is a statesman and a philosopher. Moving on to the last one, which is the Sahitya Academy Award. So Sahitya Academy Award, it is the third most renowned literary award in India in the field of literature. It is also conferred by the same Sahitya Academy, that is instituted in 1954 to recognize and honor the writers for their work of literary merit in any of the officially recognized languages of India. Here the awardee gets a box containing a copper plate and a shawl, including a cash prize. Makhanlal Chaturvedi is the first recipient of the Sahitya Academy Award for his book Him Tarangini in 1955. That is about the literary awards of India. Thanks for watching.